in school I've used Heymath, and I was always excited to go to those lab classes and work on Heymath because Heymath is a lot of fun. When I first came into Heymath, they gave me a project where I had to take some information for a teacher about the teacher's students and build comprehensive reports so that the teacher would easily be able to evaluate his or her students' performance. Working with my manager was also a great experience and kept motivating me. He kept looking at the product from the user's perspective, and I've learned since then that is the most important thing to do. Everyone there kept supporting me, and it was a lot of fun working at Heymath. So overall, my experience with Heymath has been hugely positive. Thank you to everyone who worked with me at Heymath because I had an absolute blast.